A little something about Raymond. He's an investor in stocks and rentals. He wants no money from you, no bait and switch, nothing. Here's what he's going to do. He's going to log into his personal account, share real estate property documents, and give you suggestions on what to read.
All right, good morning. Today is Tuesday, August 25th, 2020, and it's close to 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So the market is open, and I want to log into my account because when I woke up this morning and I went to my app on my phone that tracks all my stock, and the app's name is Yahoo Finance. You can download it from your phone application store. I started looking at my stocks like I always do, and I said, whoa, something's not right. With one of my stocks. So let me log all the way in and get to it. So the stock that I want to talk about is in my rollover IRA. And I want to go to positions. And the stock that caught my attention this morning was Smith & Wesson. So it's this stock right here. And as you can see, today I am getting killed in this stock. It's down over 17%. And I have 214 shares. I lost $774 and some change today. But in terms of overall profit, when I bought the stock, I'm up almost 24%. So a bad day, but overall a good stock. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. So I was like, man, what's going on? So I'm Googling the stock and I'm like, oh, okay, I think I just figured it out. So let me show you guys what's going on. So let's scroll up. So Smith & Wesson announced that they had a brand and they were going to spin off the brand into its own company. And that's exactly what they did. So people who have Smith & Wesson stock received stock of the new company today. So this is a new company that hit my portfolio that I did not buy, but I got it because Smith & Wesson decided to spin off a brand. So the name of the brand is American Outdoor Brands. The stock ticker is AOUT. And when this hit my account today, I'm up a little over $900, which is better than the almost $775 that I lost so far in Smith & Wesson. So they kind of calmed me down a little bit. The one thing that I don't know is how this brand new stock that I got out is going to perform. So I'm going to be looking at it over the next couple of days. I'm going to start reading about it and decide if I want to keep it or sell a stock. And I own 214 shares of SWBI, Smith & Wesson, and because of the number of shares that I own, they gave me 53 shares of out. So that's how that works, and it's a little bit more to the story. So I want to, while I'm talking about it, just, I guess, talk about everything. So let me go to stock history so I can talk about when I bought it and what happened and a whole bunch of other stuff. It's kind of crazy. So I want to go to my account, transactions, and I went up in this area and I decided to click on 2020 to show everything I've done in this rollover IRA in 2020. So I believe I first bought this stock in March. So let me scroll to March. And so here's the story. So stick with me. So on March 16th, I decided to buy a company with the stock ticker of AOBC. And I bought 114 shares, and the price was about $8.79 a share, and it was a total of a little over $1,000. So I bought this stock. I was happy. So everything's going fine. It's in my account. And then in June, let's scroll down to June. In June, the company AOBC, which is the stock ticker again, decided to change the name of the company and the stock ticker to SWBI. So SWBI sounds a lot more like Smith and Wesson. So they decided to change the name, but nothing else changed. So I still have the same number of shares. The price didn't change. Everything else stayed the same. Matter of fact, the CEO, I believe, was still the same CEO. So that's June 1st. And then let's go down to June 19th. I decided to buy more of this brand new company and stock ticker. When I say brand new, meaning as a name. So on June 19th, I decided to buy more stock. So I bought 56 shares, and cost me a little over $1,000. And as you can see, I'm making money, because when I first bought them, it was under $10, and now I'm at almost $18 when I bought the new share. So that's good. So then let's scroll some more to July, what was the day? 24th. So on July 24th, I decided to buy more. So I bought 44 shares, and I paid $22.38. So compared to the price today, when I bought these shares, I lost money, because right now it's trading at about $17, and I bought the shares at $22.38, and I paid a little less than $1,000 for the 44 shares. And then on the where are we? And today, which is August 25th, as you can see, non-taxable spinoff liquidation distribution, AOUT, stock ticker. So everything is tied together. I gave you the complete story of where in the hell did this stock come from, because I definitely didn't buy it. And it's because that the Smith & Wesson company decided to spin off a brand into its own company. So that can happen sometime. And actually, this is the first time this has ever happened to me. So I want to take you guys over to my website, because I did tell you guys that you get communications from companies. So let's go to the menu. Let's go to Stock Talk. And let's scroll down to this article that I created. And its title is, "You May Get Communications from Companies After You Buy Their Stock." So everything that happened today, I was not surprised, because I actually got an email from TD Ameritrade to say Smith & Wesson is going to do blah, 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 blah. And if you come here and check out this video, I actually show you the emails that gave me a heads up of what was going to happen. The only thing I didn't remember was the day it was going to happen. So today, the 25th, when I woke up, I was like, whoa, I got a new stock in my portfolio. Where did this come from? So lesson learned from all this is that you're going to get emails from your brokerage account, or if you're old school and you want them to mail that stuff to your house, they'll do that. But you're going to get communications to say the company is going to do blah, blah, blah on a certain date and give you heads up. So read your emails, open your mail, anything dealing with money. Your brokerage account is your money. You want to stay on top of the game. All right. Hopefully you guys got something out of this. This is something new. First time it happened to me, and I'm putting you guys up on what can happen to you depending on what stocks you decide to buy. All right. Peace, everybody.